In this video, we're going to talk about parcel-to-parcel interaction based on site association. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I am going to draw a polyline, and I'm going to just include it inside of this property 1 boundary. And I'm going to close it off. And then what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to click on the parcel dropdown. I'm going to choose parcel from objects, and I'm going to click on this polyline that I just created and hit enter. When I'm creating this parcel, like all the other parcels that we've created prior to this, I'm going to choose the development site so that we can see how this parcel is going to interact with the property 1 parcel that is currently in the drawing. I'm going to specify parcel style of property, and I'm going to choose to erase existing entity. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And what we see happen is property 1 jumps inside of here. And then we have a new property called property 28 that is the outer parcel with this inner boundary inside of it. Now, these are interacting because they're on the same site. If I was to take this property and I was to go up to the modify ribbon bar drop down and choose move to site, and I was to move it to our other site that is contained inside of this drawing, which is survey site, which was created when we did our survey import, and it has all of our survey figures in it. And I went ahead and clicked OK. What you're going to see is I have 2 area labels now that are sitting right next to each other. One for property 1, which is the small parcel here, and then one for property 28, which is the outer boundary. Now, the reason that these are not interacting with each other is because they're on separate sites, so they are almost like invisible to each other. So I can take that property 1 and I can migrate it back to our development site, and I can click OK. And what Civil 3D does is it then shows those parcels to each other because they're on the same site, and they now interact with each other. So we have a smaller parcel and a larger parcel with a hole inside of it.